but it seems to be a common problem where you get a leak. I will show you my install that I did, and I'll explain to you why it is like it is. And but first, I'm going to try to show you where it's leaking. You can see underneath here. You see underneath each one of these, like here and over here, there's a little drip. Now, it's been dripping a little bit for 2 days, and after 2 days, I have maybe 1.5 inches in a bucket underneath it that I put there so I wouldn't get on the basement floor. But my install, basically, I had this riser tee. This riser came all the way up before and fed the house, and over here is my in-ground sprinkler feed going outside. So I cut this piece of pipe out, and I put a sliding shut-off in the middle, and that's off right now. And then from a lower point of view, I actually came out, and this feeds with another shut-off here, and this is the inside going into the DAB 3 mini pump, and coming out of is the outflow, the out, and that comes up. Obviously there's another shut-off that comes up. I put an inline pressure gauge in, and then I tied it back in with a T up here. So the loop, I have a loop where it's feeding and pushing, and it's not trying to go through the main pipe. So in this case here, where I have to do a repair or a fix on those union connections, which is this one and this one, I am going to shut off the output, I'm going to shut off the input, and I'm going to turn back on the house flow. So that'll return me from 80 psi back down to like 41 or 42 psi. So I'm going to get started, and I'm going to show you the process that I'm going to try to use to repair it. Now, this repair doesn't always work. So if that's the case, if it doesn't work, after I put more, clean it up, put more tape on it, and so on, I actually will end up getting, I did buy another set of product to go in here, new unions, a new brass nipple, and I will replace that, with that equipment when I get to it. But anyway, I'm going to get started here. Hopefully that is good enough to see. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to shut off the output. I'm going to come down here and shut off the input.